control. When Mr. Diskaya is not only involved in the flood control projects, but in many projects since the time of President Arroyo. Am I right, Mr. Diskaya?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Let me ask you, how many projects? Because you forgot to mention, you mentioned Noynoy, you mentioned GMA, you forgot to mention Duterte during the time of Duterte, which ikaw din ay contractor. Am I right?
Yes po, Your
So how many projects did you do? Not only flood control projects, ha? How many projects did you do during the time of the previous administration and how many years? Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, okay lang po ba? I-collate ko po yung mga documents po nung list ng mga projects. Hindi ko po masyadong ma-identify sa ngayon lahat.
Sige po, we will confront you with the documents in due time. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, you could be able to produce to us and give to us the documents, but we just would like to find out, by estimate, how many projects, because we have been talking about, we are only focused on 2022. We would like to find out, as Mr. Diskaya has admitted, Mr. Chair, that he has been a contractor since the time of President Arroyo, President Noynoy Aquino, and of course, the former administration. So by estimate, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask Mr. Diskaya, how many projects did you have during the time of the previous administration, and how many years and how much with the project?
Previous administration po, hindi po siya ganun karami. Hindi po ganun
Well,
karami.
sabihin mo sa amin kung magkano.
Actually, parang umaabot lang po yata ng estimated ko parang ano po, baka siguro po mga umaabot po siguro mga 2+ billion po yata.
2 billion. I was told that you were the number one contractor in the previous administration.
Yung data po, Your Honor, na nasa PCIJ, hindi po confirm po yun. Hindi po. Parang pinagsama po yung panahon po ng previous administration ni Pinoy po.
Ipapaalala ko sa iyo, Mr. Chair, under oath ka pa rin, ha? All right. Now, we were told that you were the number one contractor during that time. Do you admit that or not? You said you have 2 billion. 2 billion flood control projects. How about the other projects you had?
Your Honor, basta accumulation po. Kaya po naging number one po nung panahon na yun. Accumulation po yun nung mga yung mga ano po, previous administration po ng
Well, you better
Pinoy
submit
Hindi
to
yan
us.
totoo. Hindi yan totoo. Accumulation, edi ipa-plus mo lang yung 2010 to 2016 plus 2016 to 2022. Hindi ba? Ang pinag-usapan dito 2016 to 2022 eh.
Oo.
Magkaibang total yun eh. Sa dami mo ng pera, hindi ka marunong mag-arithmetic. Pwede ba yun? Huwag niyo kaming pinaglololoko dito ah.
Mr. Diskaya,
Okay,
nakikinig po ba kayo?
Sige po, we will confront
Ang
him.
dami niyong sasakyan. Pinagmamalaki niyo mga sasakyan niyo.
Okay.
Sasabihin mo sa akin, from 2016 to 2022, 2 billion lang ang project nyo, and that is only flood control projects. How about the other projects you had?
Sige po.
Your Honor,
Excuse me,
okay lang po
excuse me.
ba na
Excuse me.
magkaroon po muna ako ng para sigurado po ako sa data ko?
Sige po. No, we will confront you with the data in due time, Mr. Diskaya. Sige po. Alright. Last few questions na lang po, Congressman Jokno, so we can proceed na po
Yes,
to the next topic, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Lubiano, good